Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reverse engineer projects. So, for example, somebody brings up this project that's a blinking maze game. Let me show you what it does. Press the green flag, has a blinking title, fades away, and then I have a character that I can control, move around with my keyboard. By pressing the arrow keys, I can move it up, move it down, but it's constantly blinking, so I don't always know where it's at. And then if I go up to the wall and touch it, it sends me all the way back to the beginning. And if I touch this green part, it'll actually take me to another more complicated level. So your goal, if you were reverse engineering, would be to try and create a project like this without actually looking at the code. So you'd be like, I wonder what made the title screen fade away. And then you'd maybe write down some code for that. And then go, I wonder what made it so it had a title screen, but only one part of it was blinking. Then you'd think through the code for that, and then you'd write that down and code it. And then you'd start breaking down more parts of it. So like the player. So how did it make it so that you can move it by pressing the arrow keys? And then add in code for that. And same thing for the blinking and the touching the walls and all that stuff. Now, if you ever get stuck in whatever project you're trying to reverse engineer, you can always use the code that's inside of it as your example. So you can be like, I'm not sure how they made the player move. So I'm going to look inside real quick. Okay, I'm going to click on the player. Okay, I'm looking for stuff that's motion. Cool, they have comments that's making it so much easier. And then you find this code and go, oh, that's the code that makes it move. And then you go outside of it again and go, okay, cool. I'm going to add that code into mine. And then I'm not going to peek again until I get really, really stuck and I absolutely need to do it. So when you're reverse engineering, start with the project, stick with this page as much as you possibly can, click see inside only if you need to, or use some of the resources that we create at BootUp to make your life a little bit easier to learn how to code, like the quick reference guides or the videos. So go ahead and try reverse engineering and ask around for one of your friends if they can help you if you get stuck, or check inside with your actual project.